Hello, I'm Cian O'Leary, Product Specialist for all Case IH harvesting equipment. And behind me you see the AF10 combine. This is the biggest combine in our combine range with a max horsepower of 775 horsepower, coming from a 16-litre FPT engine. This combine comes with a 20,000 litre grain tank and a 220 litre a second unloading auger. And we're going to take a bit of a walk around to have a more in-depth look at the actual combine and what it has to offer. First up on the new features that this combine has to offer is the new, bigger feeder house. This feeder house is capable of handling the biggest headers on the market. We recommended a very minimum for this machine, a 41-foot header, right up to the 50-foot MacDon Flex and Float header. Behind the feeder house, we have the SFS system. This is a synchronized feed system designed to accelerate the crop from the end of the feeder house into the rotor, ensuring a smoother crop flow from the feeder house into the rotor. This is done by a shaft that travels down through the center of the rotor, through a gearbox, and into the actual feed roller itself. The new AF range comes with a new LED light package, as you can see behind me. This light package is full 360 around the machine, ensuring the best optimal working conditions in the hours of darkness. Behind me you will see our suspended track system. This is available as an option on both our 260 and AF range of combines. These combines come with a clear cover over the idler bearings to allow you to check the oil level as part of your daily walk-around checks. Our AF range comes with an optional four-wheel drive system which allows for a maximum speed of up to 40 kilometers an hour if needed. A newly designed rear axle allows for a tighter turning circle, especially when working with smaller headlands. The AF series comes with two chopping options, both the integral chopper or the extra chop system, which you can see behind me. The extra chop system gives the best chop quality with capabilities of spreading over 50 foot. Changing from chop to swat can be done quickly and easily from the operator seat. The extra chop system comes with a new radar controlled spreading system. The radar monitors where the crop is landing in the field to ensure the best residue spread pattern. The AF range comes with two models of combine, both the AF9 and the AF10 you see behind me. The AF10, being the bigger combine, comes with a 16-litre engine producing 775 horsepower. It also has the larger grain tank, which is a capacity of 20,000 litres, and also a larger unloading rate of 220 litres. It also comes with a bigger fuel tank of up to 1,500 litres. The AF9 comes with a smaller 12.9 litre engine producing 635 horsepower. It has a grain tank capacity of 16,000 litres and an unloading rate of 159 litres a second. It also has a smaller fuel tank of 1,300 litres. One of the key features of the AF series of combines is the efficiency of power usage. We've done this by mounting the engine at an angle to keep it in line with all the main power outlets of the machine. It is at the same angle as the rotor and also the drive shaft, which powers the front feeder house and also the headers. The power comes out the back of the engine into a CVT gearbox, allowing for full variable control of the rotor speed. The new AF range comes with a cross-flow cleaning system, ensuring optimal cleaning across your undulating ground. We also have a new clean grain elevator, which is fed by two clean grain cross augers. This clean grain elevator is capable of handling over 200 tonne an hour. Our combines come with a split auger option as standard, which allows you to half the unloading rate whilst unloading into an actual trailer. We also have the option to turn off both cross augers inside in the grain tank to allow you to empty out the unloading tube in wetter conditions. The AF series comes with the new AF XL rotor. This is the longest single rotor on the market, measuring 3.67 metres long. The longer rotor allows for better threshing, better separation, and works in conjunction with our harvest command system to minimise the amount of mug and cracked grains that we get whilst combining. We also have the new large sieve which measures 8.7 meters squared, again, reducing the amount of losses while also ensuring the best sample possible. Both the 260 series and AF series of combine are now coming with a new and improved cab. As part of these cab's new improvements, we have a new operator seat. This operator seat is both heated and cooled, as well as having a massage feature. The new cab comes with dual Pro 1200 displays. This improvement is designed in order to improve the operator's comfort throughout the day. Your top screen is designed for having both your camera display and also your GPS, whilst the bottom one is designed in order to have your combine settings displayed. So on this Pro 1200 screen, we also can see both our tons an hour, our tons a hectare, and also our percentage moisture of the crop, whilst also being able to see our levels of losses of which we might be that might be occurring at the time. The sensitivity of these losses can be changed by the actual operator themselves. So as you're driving along, if you check out the back or you're looking for crack grains, whether it be through the actual camera itself, so we can do crack grains and we can use the camera function whilst combining. This will bring up the live camera that is located in the actual clean grain elevator, and we can establish if that level of crop quality, grain quality is good enough. So on the bottom Pro 1200 screen, we can see a lot of the actual functionality of what's happening in the machine behind us. We can see the rotor speeds as well as sieve and concave settings. A lot of these functions will be changed by our harvest command system, which is our automation feature within the actual combine itself. And for these, we can see the outside of these will become a darker blue whilst being changing. So one of the main benefits of our rotor being driven through a CVT gearbox is it allows us the opportunity to have a rotor reverse option. With these new AF series combines, we have an auto deslug option. This allows us the opportunity to be able to reverse the rotor in the unlikely case of managing to block the rotor, all done from inside the cab. We have an auto deslug feature which is operated through the screen itself, meaning the rotor will be unblocked in a matter of minutes without leaving the comfort of the operator seat. With our market-leading harvest command automation system, we give the operator full customization of what they want to achieve out of the combine. Whether it be certain tons per hour, or whether it be max throughput, or we can focus on grain quality, it can all be changed from just a few touches of the screen.